Welcome to my channel. I'm excited because there's another toy review of LOL Surprise. I got one of these. So, let's open it. Okay, the first layer is a secret message. Ooh, I got Queen Bee. That's a sign if I got Queen Bee. Oh, she's ultra rare. Here is the stickers if it's a color change, spits, tinkles, or cries. I hope I got Queen Bee. Okay. Oh nice. Handy dandy scissors. You failed me. So, here's the accessory. It says, "Let me out of here. I'm honored to let you out."
Yeah.
Ooh, I got this bottle, so I might not get Queen Bee. So, for this thing, let me out of here. So, came with these white with red shoes. Okay, last one, and then the doll. I only have one so far. I got the pageant baby, and I just got my room not clean. I got my room redoed. So I have her. I got the cheerleading baby. Oh, I dropped. I got the cheerleading baby because I think that all. So I think the cheerleader comes with a pacifier. Okay. It does! Yes. I dropped the scissors, but yes. Comes with a pacifier. Yes. Yes. Yes, I got a pacifier for her. Yay. So, comes with this. Instructions. I will read later. The thing. And now the doll. She's cute. She's a cutie. And it comes with the thing. I'm gonna dress her, so I'll be right back. I'm back, so here she is. She's cute. Put the pacifier in her mouth. And her bottle So I'm gonna go fill it up with water so I can see what we'll do. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got a little cup for her. So I got. She doesn't pee. I can hear the water. She is a spit. Ugh. Ew. Ew. Ah! Where'd you go? Ugh. I'll be right back. She got dropped under my dresser. So yeah. Still have water in here. Okay, there's the water. Yep, there's the water. So, yeah. She's a really cute little one. I love her because she comes with a pacifier, definitely. That's why I like her. So, yeah. Like, share, rate, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a really good day. And no shout outs because I bet there was no comments, I think. I'm not sure. I have to check. But, yeah. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.